Waterfalls in North Carolina. Different days, different places, and very different expectations. Sometimes you hike for it, sometimes it's right next to the road, and sometimes there is barely any water at all. First trip, Shoals Falls, South Mountain State Park. This is one actually feels like a proper hike. Forest, trail, river nearby. You walk and it's quiet. Just footsteps, water somewhere in the distance, and that constant forest sound. No rush. At some point you stop filming and just walk. Because the place does the job for you. Then you hear it. And start thinking, okay, this should be something big. And it is. Tall waterfall, solid structure. But yeah, not much water. You look at it like, what's it? Still good, still worth the walk. But clearly not peak season. Feels like you came at the wrong time, but stayed anyway. These weren't even the same day, just different trips into the mountains. Same idea, different result. Next one, Looking Glass Falls. And this one is the opposite. No hike, no effort. You park, walk a few steps, and there it is. Big, wide, right next to the road. Water is actually there. Everything looks easy. And then you get closer. Wet rocks, slippery surface. And yeah, at some point I go down. Nothing serious. But enough to remind you this is not a playground. So yeah, no hike. But still an experience. Another day, Moore Cove Falls. Short trail again. Forest, shade, silence. Very calm. Same story with waterfall. Not much of it. At this point it becomes a pretend. You show up and the waterfall is on low power mode. But this one has something different. You can walk behind it, rock wall behind you, water falling in front. Even if it's not strong, it still works. You stand there for a moment, and it's enough. Three waterfalls, different days, different conditions, and yeah, not a lot of water. But that's part of it. You don't always get the perfect version. Sometimes you just get what's there. Forest, road, a bit of water. And somehow that's enough. No big story here, just small trips into the mountains. And reminder, it's not always about the perfect shot. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.